As usual at Christmas, I have quite a bit of ham left over. And after all the overeating and drinking and more to come at New Year's, I want something comforting and simple. I cannot face going out to the shop, so I'm going to fossick around my pantry and fridge for things to add to the ham to make a very quick soup. Start with a little bit of butter, or a lot. Add a whole chopped onion. Give that a good stir and cook until the onions are translucent. Now add chopped up celery, carrot and potato. Quick stir, then add a bay leaf. I've chopped up about 2 cups of ham. The ham had been glazed with mustard and marmalade. I scraped all of that off because those flavors aren't quite what I'm going for here. My ham does have a bone in it, and I will probably use that some other time when I've planned for a long, slow cook. Today, I just want something quick. I nearly always have chicken stock in my pantry in some form or other. I added enough to cover the ingredients, then the lid went on and I let it simmer for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I drained and rinsed a can of cannellini beans and added that as well. Another 10 minutes simmering and it's done. You can of course add more stock if you like it more soupy, but I rather like how chunky it is. There was plenty enough salt from the ham and the chicken stock, so all it needed was a few turns of pepper. We planted parsley in the garden about 10 years ago, and it's self-sown ever since. That definitely meets the brief for something quick, simple and comforting. If you enjoyed this video, please do hit that like and subscribe buttons. If you've already done that, thank you so much for supporting my channel. I wish you all a very happy new year.